Hi, my name is Ms. Barber, and I am the instructor, or more like the guide for this course. I am introducing myself to you so that you can see that a real person teaches this course. I am a real live human person. You can see my office in the background. I normally make my instructional videos in my dining room. So you know what? My dining room is my recording studio. I am anticipating a good semester, and I'm looking so forward to reading your posts in the Intro to Class discussion assignment. What is Math 1580 Survey of Mathematics? It's a good question. This course is a topics course for non-STEM, non-business majors. It is an immediately relevant real-world applications math course for liberal arts majors. For example, you will learn how to manage your personal finances, from making doable budgets to paying off student loans to purchasing a house with a mortgage, how to make investments, and even how to complete your federal income taxes. You will learn critical reasoning. This skill is very important in making objective decisions and even in reading ballots. We will also study probability and statistics. Have you ever wondered how some polls can be so wrong? We'll get some insight in the study, and we will finish this with math and the arts. In this module, we will learn mathematical specifics associated with producing pleasing music and visual arts. Let me repeat, this does not satisfy prerequisite for any subsequent math course. This is a terminal core math course. How does online math work? Well, online math requires that you have a computer that is compatible with both Canvas and MyMathLab. Your smartphone is not sufficient. You also must have high-speed, reliable internet access. Valid and trustable studies have shown, as you would expect, that stronger students with a record of success in college-level courses tend to perform better in an online class than they would in a face-to-face class. And as expected, the data have shown over and over again that weaker students tend to do much worse in an online course than they would in a face-to-face delivery method. Think about that carefully. Our goal is to set up each student for success. By the way, if you don't have time for face-to-face classes, you really don't have time for an online course either. Online success requires much more time and commitment than the equivalent of just attending lecture. Canvas. At UNT, we use the Canvas Learning Management System, or LMS. Think of Canvas as your 24/7 online classroom. Canvas houses your course information, including the syllabus and all other information you need for this course. MyLabs Math. Your course materials are in the online course delivery system called MyLabs Math. MyLabs is a publisher platform through which you can access your homework, access your online textbook, and a plethora of other learning resources. While you do have to go to the MyLabs link to enroll the first time, after that you can access your homework assignments directly through Canvas in the content modules. Let's get started. 1. Go to the Canvas dashboard. The URL is unt.instructure.com. Bookmark this page. 2. Go to the dashboard, select this math course. Now that we're in the course, select Home. It is the default open page. It is the first menu item located along the left-hand navigation of Canvas for this course. This page also functions as a navigation guide. Read through this page. In particular, even though you can skim pretty quickly through the overview, I encourage you to read the entirety of the Canvas features. This gives you a short synopsis of all the modules that are available to you. Home. This is the page where we are right now. Announcements. Here are weekly updates about the course content, class progress, course changes, etc. Syllabus, predictably, this is where you find your syllabus. Modules tab. This is where all of your course materials are packaged together in pieces called modules. This is where your course content is delivered, including course materials, exams information. Please read through each of the modules. Now, one of the neatest things about this page is that you have a section on the right-hand side called To Do. It is a reminder of what you've got to do in the next couple of days or so, and immediately below that is a subject header or subheader called Coming Up, and this tells you when you have assignments due in the very near future. The cool thing within Canvas is if you click on that assignment, it'll take you directly there. Now, select the Modules item. The Modules menu item is where you will live most of the time in Canvas. What to do next? A good hint is the Start Here module. Let's activate the drop-down today, and we'll go through each page. A typical college student can complete the entire Start Here module in about 30 minutes. It's well worth your time. Please take the time to read them all. Now, let's scroll through the pages. I'll only open a few. The first one is called Introduction to Math 1580, Survey of Math with Applications. As it sounds, this gives you information about the Math 1580 course. Now, let's continue down, and the next page you see is Basics for Students New to Canvas. Even if you're familiar with Canvas, review and relearn the basics. Every question regarding Canvas that a student has asked me thus far since UNT adopted Canvas had already been answered in the basics. This page includes 3 short videos. Watch them. This information has the potential to save you a lot of time and avoid unnecessary frustration. Now, read the Meet Your Instructor page. I give you a little information about me. The syllabus. Read this page. You will see that the syllabus is not located here, but in the syllabus menu item along the left-hand navigation. Now, I do want to open the expectations for an online course because it's very important that we get this. A common misconception is that online courses are easier or a lesser version of a face-to-face course. This is wrong. You are not selecting an easier version of a math course by any means. You are selecting the option that requires maybe a bit more work from you. Let's go back to the modules, and so to do so, click Modules, go back to Start Here, and we'll continue to scroll down. The next couple of pages, they are titled Academic Integrity and Netiquette. Netiquette is a new word talking about appropriate behavior online. This is self-explanatory, but I do want you to read the academic integrity portion. It explains that there are serious consequences for cheating. Since your webcam during every test, make certain that there is no appearance of dishonesty or cheating. Technical requirements, necessary skills and support, where to get help. Those are also somewhat self-explanatory, but I do want you to read them. Canvas, quizzes, and exams password. The quizzes and exams have a password so that you do not accidentally begin a high-stakes exam or quiz. The process of keying in the password, which you will find by reading this page, makes you accessing a quiz or exam deliberate and intentional. And finally, you have 4 assignments that follow. Do them all before the posted due dates. These are intended to be easy and primarily to get you oriented and accustomed to Canvas prior to higher stakes assignments. Let's wrap this up. We are back in the modules item. We still have several modules to go through. I'll just call them to your attention. We just went through Start Here. The one immediately below that right now is called the Lockdown Browser and Pondus Monitor, and it is required for all exams. As soon as you get a breather, open that and install the Lockdown browser on your personal computer. The page immediately following that is called Instructions for Written Assignments, and it includes student information form, and it says module projects. Here I give you explicit instructions on how to prepare your assignments and submit them. If you do not prepare them by missing any one of the requirements, it is a 0. The next module is called Additional Videos. These are videos that I make or I have made where students appear to have some extra struggles, so I wanted to provide extra examples. And finally, let's get to the content module. So here, the module we are looking at is called Module 1, Quantitative Literacy for the Modern World. Let's open the drop-down and scroll up. The first assignment that you have is MyLabs Orientation. When you click on it, it will take you directly to that assignment. Page following has your notes. So let's open that, okay? And if you will open the notes, and if I can find it, you will see that these notes contain blank spaces. A good question for you is, what do I do with the blank spaces? And let's hit next on the lower right hand corner. You get to go to a video site, and this is where I put some lessons for you, so that if I can just kind of scroll through it pretty quickly. This matches the notes that you have. I'm going through it very fast. But anyway, you can read through it and complete the notes. This is akin to you going to class and taking notes. I'm going to have to go back to modules to show you the next piece that I want to see. And that is, after that, I have the next lesson. And then you have your concept check, okay, and the MyLabs homework assignment. As we continue through the course, I will provide notes that match what we're doing, and the class notes, and the video. A few more things. The first page following the Module 1 is something called MyLabs Math Orientation. You will need to do the orientation first and make 100% to proceed. This one is unlimited attempts and no due date, but you have to get the 100% to access future assignments. The path for learning content is: 1. Read your textbook on that section. 2. Download the lesson notes, watch video, and complete the notes. 3. Take a concept check quiz. And 4. Do the MyLabs assignments. If you decide that skipping the reading and/or the lesson will save time, please understand you will easily double or even triple the time to finish the homework assignment. Before you begin the homework, from the syllabus menu, select the syllabus link and open it. Click on the live link. This is the document that is the contract which delineates for you what you must do to earn the grades you desire. Print this, read it, refer to it often. In the syllabus, you are provided contact information. As a general rule, whatever your course policy question may be, it's in the syllabus. Read it to get your questions answered. It is a poor use of your time to choose to wait for an answer that is already provided for you. With that said, I'd like to call something to your attention, so we're going to scroll down the syllabus and we'll go to page 3. What I'd like for you to do is understand that letter grade assignment is determined solely and entirely by your performance on the evaluation components. There will not be any extra credit or bonus assignments. This is a college level math course. Your performance determines your grade. Now, with that stated, let's notice the sum total of the percentages for the course grade. Here is a table provided for you. It has 2 columns and I do believe 8 rows. Let's add them up. Total percentage is 102%. There is 2% already built in. That is the only extra credit / bonus provided for this class. Again, I will assume that you will read your syllabus. The information I provide for you in the syllabus is crucial to your success. If you have any questions after you read the syllabus and work through the Start Here module, please ask. Use the Canvas inbox. I look forward to hearing from you.